The visit of the business and political delegation to Azerbaijan. Opportunities for companies within the programs Invest to Slovenia and International Investors Network. Signing the Memoranda of Cooperation. A sizable business delegation with representatives from over 50 Slovenian companies, economic, science and research institutions visited the Azerbaijani capital of Baku on the 15th and 16th of January 2013, where they met with representatives of over 100 Azerbaijani companies within the framework of the Azerbaijani-Slovenian Business Forum. The Azerbaijani representatives demonstrated a strong interest for business cooperation with the attending Slovenian companies, as well as with those companies and projects represented and presented within the framework of the international investment programs of the Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association VZMD, Invest to Slovenia, Invest to SI, and International Investors Network, Invest to Net.
I have been informed about your program, and it was also promoted by Spirit. So it's quite important one. We don't have a similar here in Azerbaijan, but we feel that these type of programs and institutions are very important, and I know that you are quite active in your home country and also abroad, representing your companies abroad.
Naš cilj je, da vse take inštitucije, tudi taka kot je vaša, pomagamo promovirati na ta način. Pravkar smo imeli tamle razgovore z Aspromom, da če je karkoli tazga, če so kakšni, ne vem, interesi po investicijah in kjer vi seveda lahko pomagate, da jasno, da se povežete tudi s temi, ker jasno, najlažje je najprej vzpostaviti stik z neko inštitucijo in Aspromo tukaj mislim, da je več kot kompetentna inštitucija in seveda z našo pomočjo mislim, da boste tudi vi imeli dobre kontakte z njimi in da boste lahko recimo svoje cilje uresničevali.
Ob tem smo ponovno v mednarodnem investitorskem in poslovnem prostoru predstavili informativno-promocijske materijale podjetij, gospodarskih subjektov, institucij, ki so v oba mednarodna programa v okviru Vseslovenskega združenja malih delničarjev vključeni. Z veseljem ugotavljamo, da je po uspešni izvedbi največjega srečanja predstavnikov investitorjev v lanskem letu zanimanje za ta program še izdatnejše in da se ne samo družbe, pač pa tudi konkretni investicijski projekti ob tem ustrezno predstavijo in tudi napotijo na neposredne akterje.
This business forum will give the new impulse to the cooperation between business sphere, Azerbaijan and the Slovenian business companies. As you may know, in Azerbaijan already exists one of the biggest Slovenian companies. It's Gorenje, Krka and Iskratel.
Definitely the most, let's say, famous Slovenian company that is present here in Azerbaijan and is known very well is Gorenje. But again, we feel that this is not sufficient, and that's why this forum will be another, and I hope, practical step in terms of intensification of business relations between business communities of both countries.
The visit of the business delegation took place during the visit of the Prime Minister of the Republic of Slovenia, Janez Janša, with the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, Dr. Ilham Aliyev. The Slovenian Prime Minister took the opportunity to meet with the Prime Minister of Azerbaijan, Artur Rasizade, with which he agreed on the establishment of a joint economic committee and signed two agreements, the agreement on international road transport of passengers and goods and the agreement on the exemption of visa requirements for holders of service passports.
Bilateral economic cooperation between Slovenia and Azerbaijan is still modest and does not reflect the potential of either economy. The following areas should be emphasized: ICT, the food processing industry, agricultural mechanization, tourism, logistics, construction, and scientific technological cooperation, including the education sector.
The important political and economic visit was also attended by the Slovenian Minister of Economic Development and Technology, Radovan Žerjav, for whom cooperation with Azerbaijan is a priority.
Z Azerbajdžanom smo začeli že v prejšnjem letu, pa še prej, v prejšnjem mandatu, in prav je, da te frekvence obiskov gospodarskih delegacij nadaljujemo, ker je preprosto posel, biznis ne moreš skleniti na prvem sestanku.
Ko bomo dobro spromovirali svojo državo, potem bomo spromovirali lahko tudi naše gospodarstvo. In to, da seveda grejo zraven predsednik vlade in pa, ne vem, minister za gospodarstvo, kaže nek interes, da se dejansko gospodarstvo premakne z te mrtve točke, ki zdaj vlada v Sloveniji zaradi te krize, in da dejansko damo nek nov veter v krila in da probamo spodbuditi naša podjetja, da grejo čim več ven, tudi na oddaljene trge. In Azerbajdžan je eden izmed 6 prioritetnih trgov.
Gospodarska diplomacija, ki jo Slovenija zadnje čase zelo dobro uvaja, moram povedati, da to so temelji za nas gospodarstvenike, da nekako hrabro gremo na pot in seveda, da imamo tudi od države, od državnih inštitucij podporo.
To pomeni, da država stoji za podjetjem in to je velika pomoč, ko lahko tudi pride na kak sestanek predstavnik države in to podjetje moramo izkoristiti v tujini.
Srečaš se z predstavniki gospodarstva v tujini, do katerih nimaš dostopa, če sam nekje potuješ. Je pa res, seveda, da za en konkreten posel je pa potem potrebno veliko dela, tako da posel dobiti kar tako ni enostavno.
The opening of the Azerbaijani-Slovenian Business Forum was followed by one-on-one discussions between the Azerbaijani and Slovenian entrepreneurs and businessmen.
Participation level is very high. It shows once again the increasing interest. So from your side, there are over 50 companies. From our side, it was over 100 companies coming and visiting this event. Now you have seen that we had quite intensive bilateral B2B meetings where companies had an opportunity to introduce themselves to each other from both countries.
Mi smo prisotni že nekaj let, bilo je zelo težko, vendar te reference na prostoru bivše Sovjetske zveze, predvsem v Rusiji, štejejo, v Azerbajdžanu tudi, tako da mi zelo dobro poznamo taj trg, prisotni smo čez 30 let v tem regionu in Azerbajdžan je bil enostavno, bi rekel, naslednja postaja v trgih, ki bi jih morali osvojiti.
Mi smo prisotni v Kazahstanu, sedaj pa smo izkoristili to, da pridemo tudi sem. Imamo 2 dobra produkta, bioplinske elektrarne in pa telekomunikacije in to je velik potencial in interes.
V naši firmi se ukvarjamo z avtomatizacijo proizvodnih procesov, se pravi delamo proizvodne linije, robotiziramo proizvodnjo merilne kontrolne naprave.
V gradbeništvu je tako, da potencialov je zelo velik. Možno je pa prodati izdelke, ki dajo nekaj več. Zato, ker tudi po samem Bakuju ste videli, da to je dejansko balon. Tukaj se ogromno gradijo Turki in v bistvu, če so Turki v objektu, je zelo težko za slovensko opremo prideti noter, zato ker cenovno jim je nemogoče konkurirati.
Mislim, da moram pošteno povedati, da sem zelo zadovoljen za tem obiskom, predvsem zato, da smo našli to, kar smo iskali, dilerja. Mi vedno na vsako tržišče najprej najdemo človeka, ki bo lansiral naše proizvodnje, vendar veliko zainteresiranost Azerbajdžana kot države in seveda tudi ljudi za proizvodnjo me je presenetilo. Ponujajo celo velik delež državnega denarja za vzpostavitev proizvodnje.
I am working at Sumgait Chemical Industrial Park Ltd. The purpose of this park is that also to attract, to involve investors to Azerbaijan for producing chemical products. I discuss this with Album Promotion and Kirka Dio company also. And I give some details about the Sumgait Chemical Industrial Park, and I give my visit card to these companies, and they will contact with us and to get some more details about this.
To je pravzaprav osnutek sporazuma, klele imam, takole pokažem Azertouch, to je azerbajdžanska State Telegraph Agency. Po pogovorih z direktorjem Aslanom Aslanovim in direktorjem Staja gospodom Veselinovičem sta oba dva zainteresirana za izmenjavo informacij, za sodelovanje.
I hope that they will come up to us, to Spirit as well, with the information that they have done some business together. So because the major goal of all these events is to bring people, business people, together and to assist them in doing business.
The acting director of the newly established Slovenian Public Agency for Entrepreneurship, Innovation, Development, Investment and Tourism, Spirit Slovenia, Boštjan Skalar, and the president of the Azerbaijani partner agency Aspromo, Rufat Mamadov, took this opportunity to sign a memorandum of understanding.
Spirit kot naslednik Japtija je zdaj seveda podpisal memorandum o razumevanju z partnersko agencijo Aspromo.
This is also, of course, a promotion, better promotion. So now we have actually someone in Slovenia through whom we can promote Azerbaijan. And you have already someone in Azerbaijan who will be actively promoting Slovenia, Slovenian economy, and of course, in general, Slovenian touristic potential, so that our citizens can visit Slovenia and know more about, of course, your country.
Posel delajo ljudje in če bomo ljudje med seboj povezani s kakršnimi koli oblikami memoranduma, bomo potem tudi posel lahko sklenili med seboj.
Additional important agreements, memoranda and contracts were signed at the Business Forum. The Azerbaijani company Baglan Group and the Slovenian company Duol signed a contract worth 600,000 euros for the covering of the stadium in Baku, while Iskratel signed a letter of intent for cooperation with the Azerbaijan Technical University in the field of broadband connections.
To sodelovanje s Tehnično univerzo v Bakuju je v kontekstu modernizacije omrežja v mestu Baku. Ocenjena vrednost te pogodbe je $2,2 milijona.
An agreement of cooperation was also signed by Ljubljana University and the Baku State University.
Sodelovanje med Ljubljansko univerzo in univerzo v Bakuju predstavlja osnovo za izmenjavo doktorskih in podiplomskih študentov, ki bi naj delali v skupnih raziskovalnih timih slovensko-азербайджанских.
Один из основных пунктов этого договора является открытие в Любляне Европейского Азербайджано-славянского инженерного центра.
Furthermore, a partnership memorandum was also signed by the August Region Executive Authorities and the Slovenian town of Nova Gorica.
Podpis sporazuma z mestom August je nastal na predlog veleposlaništva Republike Azerbajdžana. Dejstvo je, da Novo Gorico ali Goriško povezuje njihov narodni heroj Mihajlo, kjer imamo tudi njegov muzej v Šempasu pri Novi Gorici, pokopan pa je v Čepovanu, tako da na njega so Azerbajdžanci čustveno navezani. Predtem smo že posneli film o njemu, njihov režiser Tahir Alijev je posnel ta film in na podlagi tega sporazuma želimo tesnejše sodelovanje, predvsem na področju gospodarstva, kulture, športa, turizma, da se dejansko naše območje Nove Gorice, Goriške tesneje poveže z Azerbajdžanom.
The Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association, VZMD, invites all companies, institutions, communities, and individuals to take advantage of the opportunity to participate and include their informative and promotional material and investment projects on the web portals, in literature, and the commemorative magazine Investo Expo, and in the numerous other international business opportunities, conventions, conferences, and presentations, which are prepared within the framework of VZMD's International Investors Programs Invest to Slovenia, Invest to SI, and International Investors Network Invest to Net.